Example 3 from lesson 6.7 has us looking at a phone tree, which is an old school way of communicating with a lot of people in an organization. Like back in the day when there was a weather delay here at the high school, I might have to call 3 people on a list, and then those 3 people have to call 3 more people, and those 3 people have to call 3 more people. This is the way we communicated school closings and whatnot back before robocalls existed. So here's how it would work. You have me being the first person calling out to 3 people, right? So in round 1, I made 3 calls, right? So for the explicit definition, we're going to let those first 3 calls represent round 1, right? And then after that, everybody else keeps calling 3 more people. So we're going to do 3 times 3 to the n minus 1 power. So in round 1, let's just check here. Round 1, how many people would be reached or called? How many calls were made? There would be 3 calls made. In round 2, there would be 9 calls made. In round 3, 27, round 4, 81, and round 5, there'd be 243 phone calls made, because we're just multiplying by 3 every time. And there it is. In the 5th round, 243 people were called. How many people would be called in the 8th round of the tree? So we have a few more steps to go, right? We have to keep multiplying by 3, or we could use this explicit formula and just put 8 in for n. So we're going to do 3 times 3 to the n minus 1. So basically, 3 times 3 to the 7th. By the time you get to round 8, make a little subscript 8 there. 8. You'd have 6,561 calls made. So that would support a very large organization, much larger than the number of teachers in the district. That's what you get for round 8, 65, 61. So I hope that quick example makes sense. Go ahead and do the try it and answer the questions that follow.